Hey, what's up? My name's Chase, and today I'm going to show you how to flip a picture in InDesign. It's really simple. I have a spread open already. I have several pictures on my layout, and I'm just going to click on one of those pictures. I'm going to go to Object, Transform, and then you'll see that there's all of these different ways to transform the photo. We can rotate it. We're just going to do something really easy is flip horizontal, and that's basically just going to do exactly what it says, and you'll see. However, you will notice that since there is a message or like a type or words in this, you're going to notice that the words are going to be flipped and you're not going to be able to read them unless you can read backwards. But it is a good way to show you that the image is definitely flipping. So I'm just going to click on Flip Horizontal, and you'll see now that it's basically a mirrored image of the original that I had. If I just click on Command-Z, go back a step, I can also flip that vertically as well by going to Object, Transform, Flip Vertical, and you'll see that it's flipped vertically as well. I can even go one step further by going to Transform, Flip Horizontal, and now it's mirrored and flipped vertically. So that's pretty much it. My name's Chase, and today I showed you how to flip an image in InDesign. Thanks for watching.